here we go. Waiting here at the doors. Very mysterious start to the ride, I love it. Little hot rod over at the side. Yeah, it's kind of like farmyard theme, but then cars as well. Very strange. Very different. Huge lift hill. And some cracking views. Here we go. Yeah, it's a long ride there, so I remember. Whee! I love it when they push you to the sides on these. I feel like you're going to come flying off. Whoa! Hey! Woo! Hey! Love the drops on this. Woo! Hey! Bit of air time there. There we go. Big drop. Whoa! Through the smoke. Wow! It's a whippersnapper. Hey! Woo! Just keeps going, this. Great ride. Whee! Woo! Yeah, you can see all the trains parked up there on the left when it gets really busy. Whoa! Wow! Oh! And there we go! Back to the station. Yeah, like 2 minutes of action. Really good coaster, that. Excellent family coaster.